Hi guys, it's me, and I have a little kitten right now. He might be 3 weeks, but I don't think he is. Here he is. He's a little guy, but he is great. He walks around like crazy, like he is right now. I'm sorry you can't see that. He tries to go off the carpet and meow, and when I pick him up for like a long time, he meows. I don't know if he'll do it. Look at his eyes, they're so precious, aren't they? He does not like to come. Make sure, okay, 10 likes on this video, and I will do another one with this guy. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, post notifications so you
What's you doing, buddy?
nothing.